At Elanco, it all starts with animals. Healthy animals are at the epicenter of our vision of food and companionship enriching life. They're also central to solving global issues like hunger, animal well-being, human health, and environmental stewardship. The well-being of animals, from cats to cows, has never been more important to society. It's been important to us since our founding in 1954. Today, as a leading publicly traded animal health company with thousands of employees around the world, we focus daily on helping veterinarians, farmers, and pet owners solve their greatest challenges. Our products and services treat and prevent animal diseases, helping farmers raise food animals more efficiently, and helping pets live longer, healthier lives. And we're constantly innovating to solve tomorrow's animal health challenges. The Elanco people make this possible. We accomplish great things together because we are passionate about what we do. We're fueled by knowing our work contributes solutions to some of today's greatest global issues. We're committed to doing more for our customers, our communities, and our world. And it all starts with animals.